I'm in Verona, Kentucky, and the Peeling Restore 10X lockdown here is complete. And it's been a tough situation. And for those of you that are not familiar with Peeling Restore 10X, it's a very aggressive coating system that fails and peels on homeowners if it doesn't get good adhesion. And when it does, it leaves them kind of puzzled and stunned about what they can do about it. Many of them face deck floor replacement because of it. Many of them will try to flip over their deck boards to try to deal with it. Some of them will even tear down whole decks because they have it on their spindles and their rail systems and it starts peeling on them. What we do here at Kong Armor is something called lockdown encapsulation. So what we do is we come in, we prep the deck and try to remove as much of the Peeling Restore that has bad adhesion. And then we go over it and engulf it and encapsulate it in our thick build industrial high stretch coating system that has lifetime warranty and lifetime service, right? This deck system here turned out beautiful in comparison to a lot of decks that have Peeling Restore and go through encapsulation, right? Let's take a look at it because it turned out absolutely stunning. So my tech Jeremy did this job for the most part. I stopped by and checked on him daily and made sure that he was making progress, and I'm very, very proud of him. I'm very proud of the job that he's done here because he's done an unbelievable job at encapsulating this Peeling Restore system. They're not going to have a lot of problems out of this now, but I'll kind of show you how aggressive it is and what we do. So this is actually Peeling Restore here, and what we've done is, before, if you were to press on this, it would just flake right up. We've actually taken our coating system and gone over it, and it acts as a massive adhesive that kind of locks it into place, right? Restore is very aggressive. It's one of the most aggressive coatings, and it almost has this lava feel to it. And with a regular smooth coating, it's hard to take away its appearance. In fact, there's not many coatings on the market, whether they're industrial or not, that have the ability to take away its appearance once it's there. And so they were facing either some kind of massive sanding restoration situation here that would cost an insane amount of money, a chemical peel that would cost a sane amount of money, or basically replacing their deck floor because of the problem, which would also cost an insane amount of money. For a fraction of that, we were able to do lockdown encapsulation, bring the deck back to a state where it's covered, it's protected, and it looks pretty decent. You know, there's not a lot of visual problems with it. It has some texture in areas, but it's something that the owner can live with instead of facing those massive costs, right? Looking at it from above, it does not look bad. It's actually, this deck system, its color is coffee. It's very pretty, and it's very protected with the Kong Armor system. The other thing that we've also done for them is they had a lot of sun damage, and we worked very, very hard to fill in cracks and gaps and encapsulate as much of those as possible to keep water out of these older boards, so to prevent further deterioration of them. And we got very, very good lock on them. But you can kind of see here on this bench kind of what the encapsulation of Peeling Restore 10X looks like. So the only thing that's left there is the Peeling Restore that absolutely has ungodly adhesion that would take sanding or chemical peel to remove. You look at it from here, it's just a bench. You know, we kind of live with the textured appearance a little bit to avoid those costs of replacement or those massive restoration costs, right? but a done system here in Verona, Kentucky. I'm super happy that I could help this family avoid deck floor replacement at minimum. It means the world to me that I was able to help. Great people here in Verona. Very, very kind people. They've been very kind to me. I appreciate their business. I live right across the holler from them, and they'll be in good hands. We'll stay with them with this system for life, with lifetime warranty and lifetime service, and I'll take great care of them. My company, Kong Armor, will take good care of them. That's the other thing that's great about our systems, is we don't just do this stuff and then leave the deck owner. We'll actually stay with them. We'll provide warranty and service for life. If they have problems, they can reach out to an actionable team that's right here in the tri-state that can help them. So that's cool. You know, it's something that doesn't exist from any other deck painters or deck coating company on the planet. They also got restoration as well. We replace boards, ones that were super rotten and that type of stuff. I'll take you along and show you the outside of the deck system, which turned out very, very stunning. That's very pretty coffee colored deck. Absolutely stunningly beautiful. It's very tough. A thick build elastomer on this now. It has splinter lock technology, so we've locked down frayed wood and splinters. You probably can't see it on camera, but there's a bit of an effervescence to it right now, and that's our world-class. You can see it a little bit on this board here. That's our world-class UV blockers, and that will fade away here in probably a week or two. That effervescence will kind of disappear a little bit. They kind of flash a little bit when they're first applied, but very, very beautiful coffee colored deck system here in Verona, Kentucky, locked down and encapsulated by the world's toughest deck coating, Kong Armor. If you have problems with peeling Restore 10X, peeling bare deck over, and you're unsure about what to do with it, and you can't find anybody to help you, and you don't want to replace your deck floor, you don't want to go through those costs, you don't want to go through the cost of replacing your deck system, you live in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, tri-state area, contact my company, Kong Armor, and we can help you. You can go to www.kongarmor.com to sign up for a free quotation to learn about lockdown encapsulation. We'll come out and we'll talk to you about the process, about the solution, how it can help you and your family hold on to your savings and get back to where you have a beautiful deck system again. All right, I'm Anthony Ford signing out from Verona, Kentucky.